How to drop a pin on maps.me. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to drop a pin on maps.me. So how do you drop a pin on maps.me? The first step is to log in into your maps.me account, just like I've done here. And then once you are logged in, the next step would be for you to navigate to the location or the map where you want to drop a pin. So once you're on the location, long press on the location this way, and then by long pressing on the exact spot, a pin will be dropped. All right, a pin will appear as you can see on the screen. This is how the pin looks like. And once the pin has been dropped, you can now see details about the pin. You can decide to broadcast, you can decide to add the location to your favorite, you can decide to share the location to other people. But this is basically how to do it. I'm going to show you another example. So let's say you want to select another location on the map. You just long press on it this way, and then a pin has been dropped. And then you can now see details about the place you've selected. Then so from here you can add to favorite, you can share, you can also do anything. You can find out more about the location that you just pinned on the map. This is how you can drop a pin on maps.me. Thank you for watching and have a good day.